What? Okay, oops. We're still doing some more Minecraft. This is gonna be okay. This series, well, not really a series, but it's gonna be kind of like a series. But it's just gonna be a bunch of videos that I'm just catching up on. Because I just was on vacation. Then I went to Hershey Park yesterday, and it was like I was really busy, and so I'm back and I'm just recording a bunch of videos to make up from being away for so long. Cause I was like, you know what, I should record a bunch more videos for the like 6 viewers that I have and the 1 subscriber, which is like my friend. So, you know, guys, I wish that, you know, my birthday's coming up, so it's like, yay, good for me. But I really want some more support on my videos. Got 'em. Cause like it'd just be my dream. Okay, get on this block. Okay, should we go? I don't have any blocks though. Okay, we need to get some blocks. I'm just gonna mine some dirt blocks. I'm gonna go off to get my hopefully 2nd kill. Okay, so let's do this. The last video that I'm gonna upload soon, it was like the best video I've ever recorded. Like, I won twice, not just once, twice at Skywars, and they were just the best wins. Like, the last one was epic. I ended up facing a noob with like just like basically nothing. He was like wearing oh my god, wow. Imagine if that was like a mean chicken and it just killed me. I was like, no. Imagine if that was allowed, like having chickens fight people. It'd be so weird. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a bunch of blocks and just keep going. I wish I got that kill. Like, I really wish I got that kill. That would have been a pretty cool kill. Well, not really. I mean, all I did is really just do nothing. And that noob just walked off. 1 kill. Wow. At least I was on the leaderboard. You know, that's pretty cool. But, yeah, okay. Kind of good way to start off the video. Sorry. I meant to do that kind of, so. Yo, I'm recording, peeps. Wow. I hate when that happens. Like, I'm never actually, I just look at the, I look at the keyboard when I type, and it's like sometimes I just press E, and that just goes into the inventory. So it's like I never actually am typing, so it's like nobody actually really knows what I'm typing. Oh wow, okay, don't you dare, son. Don't. What potion is that? Hopefully that's not like a, I don't know, potion of strength or something. Okay, make sure no one else is building or anything. You know, I'm gonna get this newbie as like a golden chest plate. Just making sure he's not like sneakily like. Oh, what is it? Oh, that's a potion of. Oh my god. There's a lot of noobs that just do that, and I just laugh while they're like probably raging right now. And it looks so really like, oh my god. So you know what I'm probably gonna do? I might start a role-playing series. I don't know why I would do it. Probably no one would watch it, but you know, just a thought maybe. The real vape? Oh wow, he's gotta die. God. Okay, yeah, I just clicked a bunch of things. Oh, okay. Shut up, computer. Shut up. Shut up. No. Wow. It just recorded my death. Thanks, computer. I should probably report that guy for inappropriate. No, I'm just kidding. Inappropriate username, but that would not be necessary. Oh, I hate this map. Okay, eat a golden apple straight away. That's why. That's why. That's why. You had one jam and you knew it. How? Wait, what? Oh, he's wearing a Yeah, bruh. Thanks for killing me. I hate that map. Like, seriously, it's the worst map ever. I hate it. Oh my god. As I was saying, I hate this map. It's the same map. Okay, wow. That's just dumb. Okay, who's gonna jump me first? Who's gonna jump me? Okay, wait. That guy's rushing mid. That guy's going there. So, I can, I guess, get this person. I don't really want it because I'm afraid I'm gonna fail. Because I suck at parkour, so it's like... Yes! No! What?! I made that jump. You guys saw that, right? You guys saw that. Oh my god. Okay, that's fine. Come on, let's do this. Come on. Should I just rush mid? No, I'm not gonna rush mid. But I know someone else will. And they're gonna get destroyed. Oh, I hate this map because, well, not really. I mean, I barely even know this map, but it's because, like, I'm just gonna place some water down so if I get killed, then I would have water so that I can just float right back up and hopefully win if I ever need it. Okay. Let's do. Okay, you're doing that. Okay, you're doing it. Oh my god, I lost my sword. I pressed Q. Okay. If you guys don't know, pressing Q will get rid of the item you're on. And I had my sword. And that's not good. Okay, should I be like, I don't know. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Okay, yeah. I just pressed Q again. I'm recording. Okay, let's do this. Come on, let's do it. That guy really just walk off the edge. Oh no. Dang it. You gonna go, son? You gonna go? Oh yeah, he's gonna go. He ain't gonna go. Come on, man. Go. Go. See, I have nothing. Oh my god. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just like, oh yeah, I'm doing it. I'm bringing it back. I'm bringing it back. Okay, let's do this, Sonny. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Fall, yes. Take some fall damage. Misplay. Wow. Nice name. Holy crap. Okay, okay, it was a bow. Bow. They're coming for me. Die. Why are you building that? You're not gonna fall off. Oh, yeah. You might. This guy got a really good bow. No! Oh my god. Wow. This is not a good video so far. So just don't like the video. I'm just kidding. Like, please like the video. Okay, come on. I'm gonna kill you, son. I'm gonna kill you. Okay, I'm gonna put on this armor and then I'm gonna rush him. Ah, Sabina. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, crap. Oh, crap! Okay, that was a weird crap. I was like, crap! Dang it, this is a horrible video. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if I got no wins or anything. Hopefully, I can get this win. Okay, let's do it. This is not my favorite map. My favorite map is... I don't know. Let's do this. Let's do it. I just need a chest plate. And I'm good. I was about to say Gucci, but I'm not gonna say Gucci, even though I just said Gucci. I have a problem. Okay, yeah. I have a Gucci problem. Not a problem that's good. Not okay. I should just stop. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Just gotta check the phone. Hello? Here's Christian.
Who is it?
Okay, I'm recording, so just get out, please. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Hopefully no one's coming to kill me. Nope. I was like, what's that? And I was like, it's just numbers. Okay, where is this guy? Oh, wait, did he go to the middle? Or is he just crouching down here? No. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I forgot I was recording, so let's do this. Okay, sorry about that. It was just my chair hit the mouse. So sorry I can't do what is it? Okay, face cam. But it's a rule in my family that I can't like show my face. Like my brother even can't. And so I can't show my face, and yeah. Oh, someone just left some TNT in here. I'll take that, and I'll take some of this. Okay. Oh, maybe I can enchant nothing. I was like, maybe I can enchant nothing because I don't have I don't think I have a raw sword. You don't know what I mean by raw crap. No, raw crap, yeah. I meant raw sword as in like... What? Okay, yeah. I meant like, sword that isn't enchanted. What? This is a very colorful map. I like it. I like colors. Okay, I'm gonna rush. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna rush. I don't even have a single piece of armor. Okay, there's another call. If you can't hear that. Okay, I'm not gonna rush anything. Except... Nope. Is that a diamond sword? I think that's a diamond sword. Oh my god, I think that's a diamond sword. What? Okay. Dang it! He's throwing out some junk. You just killed the chicken. He's a chicken murderer. A baby chicken murderer, even worse. Guys, please give a like for every chicken murderer there is to be stopped. And for every like we get, a chicken murderer will be going to jail. Okay, that guy has reach. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I don't think he had reach. I think he was just good. Well, better than me at least. Okay. I will be doing another video probably with my friend sometime this week. So be ready for that one. I haven't done a video with him ever. Not the one that did the Forts Let's Play with me, but another one of my friends. That's right, I have more than one friend. If my brother or my sister heard that, they'd probably be like, no, you don't. Like, what friend? It's like, I have friends, you know. They're called people, not aliens. I know, you're so surprised, right? Just kidding. Okay, that guy has hacks. Oh my god, that guy was hacking. Oh my god.
Spectate him and I'll tell you if he's actually hacking.
It was this guy.
Oh my gosh.
He's hacking. My gosh. Okay, report him.
He's using Killor. He's scaffolding. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Report him.
What's his name?
The Mysterious Gamer.
Oh,
okay, you can report yourself.
Yeah.
There. Report him.
What?
He won the game!
I know.
Obviously.
One sec.
Okay, guys, this is like... Oh my... Wow. His name was T... Here, do you want me to just go up?
It's not working. Something's weird. One sec.
Okay. Sorry about this. We just gotta report him, because...
Not resource packs. What the heck?
That guy was hacking. Wow, okay.
I don't know if it's the hack rings I was earlier. And I got him.
What is he doing?
What?
That's... His name is Dead Meme. Is that... No. Is that... What's his name? The monkey person? The gorilla?
Alright, this isn't working. What gorilla? Harambe?
Yeah, Harambe. Is that Harambe?
No, Dead Meme. It's just a gorilla. Yo, so are you gonna finish up the video soon?
Yeah.
Okay, can I play after you finish this video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because I can't play for long. I have to go to goalie training. Alright, there you go.
Okay.
He's not gonna get banned, sadly, unless other people report him, but...
That sucks, though.
Yeah, I got one banned earlier.
Oh, yeah, I heard.
You play as Knight? Why do you play as Knight?
I like it.
Oh, wait, are you playing normal mode?
Yeah.
Then stay as Knight.
No, it's this map. Okay. Jump it. I dare you. Jump it. Oh, he's gonna jump it.
Watch out, get ready. It automatically...
Wow. Wow.
No, just loot your chest already. Because it automatically gives you the best sword in the game. You're getting rushed, by the way.
I know.
Put on the armor. Do it right now. You can get him. You got him.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
How
gonna
many
do
more games?
a few more.
Okay.
It won't take long. Okay, sorry about that, guys. We were trying to report the hacker. If you guys saw that and you guys are like, I don't know, playing right now, Hypixel, try to report him, okay? That's terrible. I hate hackers. Like, they just troll people, and it's not funny usually. Like, sometimes it's just like, it's so obvious it's funny, but almost like every other time it's not funny. Like, guys, don't hack. It's really no one will like you on Minecraft. Like, not like and subscribe, like, but but like, people won't like you in Minecraft. They'll be like, if you ask for like a friend, yeah, no one will like you. Yeah, friend request.
Why won't people like you if you say want a friend request?
No, because if you hack.
Well, nobody's gonna like you if you hack anyways.
Shut up. It's my dumb old brother.
Yeah, I'm the dumb one.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm way smarter than you, just saying.
Okay, let's fight it out. I'm just kidding.
I am smarter than you.
Should I go mid?
Yeah, what else would you do?
I don't know. There was this guy, you should check out the video I made on the really good Skywars game. That I won the 2. You should really check that out. Including you guys too. But I was talking to my brother because I just wanted...
he was in one of the games you played before. Put on his armor, he was stacked.
Oh yeah.
Keep that. You have a bow.
Oh nice. Power 1 bow with 38 arrows. And there's a lot of people left. Actually, more than I thought there would be.
Yo, can I play a couple games after this?
Okay, do you want to play in this video?
Sure. I'm really good, guys.
Maybe in a little bit.
I win like every game. No, I'm kidding. But I win a lot of games.
Yeah, he really does. If you check on the... Once I lose this game, I'll show you guys how many me, well, mostly him. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, pretty much all me.
Yeah. Wow.
Right, so I actually only have 100 wins, but that's because before recently I used to be like really bad.
And didn't you like switch accounts?
No. But then what happened was I got banned for 30 days. So all I did was go on PvP servers and just practice and practice and practice and watch YouTube videos and I just get really good. Wait, so, why did you get 2 chest plates?
I don't know.
Put them on. Put on the iron chest plate. Kill him. Oh, you're dead.
I'm not.
I thought he was going to knock you off the map.
Okay. So, and guys, he wasn't hacking.
Put on the pants. Oh, duh, he wasn't. He was still a stone sword.
No. You. So, guys, my brother wasn't hacking. He was, I don't know what he got banned for. People, like, I don't know, reported him for something.
Yeah, I still get reported, like, all the time. Earlier, I was playing Skywars. It was so funny because, oh, no, I was actually playing, I was playing Bounty Hunters. Wait, yeah, I was playing with a couple of my friends, and they wanted to play Bounty Hunters. So I was playing, and I didn't end up winning, but there was this one time where in Bounty Hunters, so you go back to full health. Oh, somebody got kicked for hacking.
Nice.
And so...
I mean, not nice for them, though. Probably like, no.
Well, it is nice.
Well, for everyone else.
What are you doing?
I'm building over there.
Why?
Because there's a bridge there.
Build up the middle.
No. There's
Why?
There's like a bunch of people up there, and I'm going to get wrecked. I know, guys, I'm a noob. Actually, oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're a noob.
Okay, he or she is building. Well, I guess it's
she. Yeah, go down there. Go down there so you can get the low ground. You actually want the low ground in Minecraft.
I don't know why I'm doing
They're crouching above you.
They are.
Yeah, the iron pickaxe.
Oh.
Oh, somebody fell into the void. Oh, yep. Wait, there they are. Well, you could totally fake them out and pop out behind them.
Oh, wow. I just...
Wow. Kill him. You got him.
No, I don't.
Block up. No, not block hit. I meant...
Oh, yeah.
No, they're coming. Run. Get him. No, you're dead.
What? Oh, dang it.
Oh, you got third killer.
Okay, I'm going to do a few more games and then...
Third killer. Do, like, 1 or 2 more games, because you don't want your video to be super long.
I know, but they're always usually pretty long.
Stop doing that with your neck. It's really bad for it.
No, it isn't.
That's
not that bad. Just shut up.
It's horrible.
I'm recording a video. Just shut up.
What does that have to do with anything?
Shut up.
Shut up.
That is really annoying.
Shut up. shut up, shut up, shut up. Got him.
Yes, nice. I was like, yes.
There's a
Yes.
third guy. Oh no, he just put in mid.
I had the
Just
frog
wait.
stuff.
Dude, put on the hat just for the memes.
No, I have a better hat. Here's a...
Frog potion.
Should I use it?
No, not yet. When you're gonna attack somebody, then use it. Because it gives you speed and jump boosts so you
Oh,
can
wow.
wreck people.
Okay, that was nice.
I actually use the fisherman kit just so I get a rod every time. And it's knockback 1, which I never use anyways because it... With Hypixel, the knockback is super weird, so the knockback 1 rod doesn't do anything.
I know.
But I just use it for, well, the rod. Like
That's fun
rod
using
people.
rods. Oh, wait, what? I must have gotten that the last time we went there.
No.
Well, we didn't get it last time.
I know.
We didn't get it yesterday, I mean.
I'll tell you where we got it after you end the video.
Oh, yeah.
You're not gonna kill him.
Actually, yes.
No,
Nice.
that was close, dude.
Okay, let me get the golden apple and e-kit.
You have nothing better.
Good.
Wait, go back into your inventory. That rod.
Oh, wow.
No, it's only knockback 1. That's the one that I get with my kit. You're dead. He has full armor from mid, and he has the best sword in the game. Well, you have the same sword as him, but he's gonna kill. Oh, you did good actually.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do a few more games.
You keep saying you're gonna do a few more games.
I mean,
Last time you said you're gonna do a few more games. The game before that, you said you're gonna do a few more games. The game before that. Stop doing that.
no,
It
just
looks
shut
really
up.
weird. You're like,
Okay, he's being really annoying, so
yeah.
shut up.
Well, I'm really dizzy now. League of Legends. LOL. League of Legends. It's kind of weird. Oh, League of Legends.
Oh
LOL.
crap! Oh crap! Okay, but that person was building in me, and that person has pretty good armor.
Put on your pants. Thank you for wearing your pants.
Okay, let's do this. Come on, you want to go?
Thank.
F? Wow. I was like, F?
Oh no,
Nope.
it's following thing.
Yeah.
Oh, clutched it. I make block clutches all the time. I'm probably gonna do a montage of just me doing block clutches
Why?
because it's really awesome. They're here.
They're not. Oh, yes,
Here
they
we
are. Dang it! Okay, that one was quick.
I'll play 2 games.
I'm gonna try jitter clicking.
You can't. That's not how you jitter click.
Whatever, who cares?
You're going
Grenade. It's not that good at all.
Oh my gosh, the grenade kit is OP.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. If you know how to use it, it's really good.
What? Oh, I was like, what? How is someone already at my base? Okay, I should probably not go down there.
Why not?
Put on my armor, and actually, yeah, I'll go down there. Just making sure that guy doesn't.
He's down in his base.
Nice iron
You
chest
really
plate.
need to go down there because now you have an iron chest plate and you're really stacked.
Not super duper stacked. Oh, okay, let's do this. Come on. Oh, you wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Oh, bro. Oh, I got snowballs too. Oh, I got snowballs too.
Believe it
Okay.
or not, you're like really stacked for normal mode.
Oh my gosh, this guy is being so weird. Oh wait, what? Okay, wow.
Oh no.
I'm
you might
getting-
want to turn to your right.
Oh jeez.
Oh, that
Oh,
guy
okay,
died.
that guy's
oh, no,
dead.
there's another guy. Boy! Is he hacking?
No.
No.
How is he? Wait, was that? No. Okay, good. Thought it was that hacker.
Z-Necro. If it was that hacker, he would have done some weird stuff.
Well, I think he had like the same skin or something.
No, he didn't.
Well, he had something like the same skin. Oh, I hate this map. Okay, I hate this map.
Why don't you rush Oh, yeah, I thought that was the last. What do you do? Go down.
Okay, I don't like it because I tried to rush someone.
That
And I failed.
Not gonna rush you.
I failed miserably.
I hate normal mode. I never played normal mode. I used to play it when I do teams, but now I only do teams with. The only times I do teams are with my friends, and now we just do normal mode. You might want to put your armor on, just a tip.
Yeah. Okay, well.
GG.
First of all, I didn't even have my sword out, but he missed the jump. Bye. I remember one time this guy fell off, and I was like, oh yeah, look, he's there. And then,
somebody came and knocked you off?
Yes. I was like, no! I was actually looking at a spider because it just ran off. Like, oh, jeez. He's a diamond pickaxe.
That's an axe?
Yeah, axe, whatever. Who cares?
Oh, 2-bit is on. Are you gonna do anything? Are you gonna, like, do something? That guy's trapping. Oh, wait, no, he's not.
Should I go after him?
Sure. You can wreck him.
Okay.
He has leather armor.
Yeah, but he's a good
All he has is a
weapon.
Now your weapon is better.
It is?
Yeah. You have the most powerful weapon in normal mode.
Oh, nice.
What? Okay, that guy just got an iron chest plate.
Oh, he has a lava bucket.
He has TNT.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. No.
What is he? He's gonna try. What?
What? Is he? No. What? No. I'm not gonna go down there and try to put it out. Okay, what is this guy doing? Oh, okay. Wow. That did so much. Oh, you're doing so much. You're hurting me so badly. Oh no.
Oh my god, that was the last guy. Can I play after this game?
Oh my god, okay. I was being not smart in that situation. I was like, oh yeah, you're doing so much. Oh, you're so good at being sarcastic. And then he just kept getting me until he actually knocked me off. And he was the last person left. I don't know. Yeah, sure. I'm thinking of doing a live stream when you're gone. And if no one else is on. Why?
Because nobody's gonna watch it. Trust me. You have one subscriber, and that's your sister.
No, I don't think
you get no viewers, and especially nobody's gonna watch you when you're live. Even I tried live streaming once; it didn't work. Don't even bother. First of all, I don't even know how to set it up. Actually, yeah, I do. But that's with my recording software. And it's complicated.
Nice eggs, bro. Oh, you're dead.
He knows how to bridge. He's a legend.
What?
Subscribe now, guys.
Yeah, please. I only have one subscriber. Hold on. Let me just do one more game.
You just said.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be a really long video. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I'm only gonna play.
Do you want to do the later? Maybe. Do you want to do the mouse keyboard challenge?
No, I have to go really soon.
I know, but like tomorrow or something.
Maybe. Hurry, because I really have to go really soon.
You have
to
go
now. You're not gonna get anything better. You're not gonna get anything better. That's not even better. I told you should have just gone mid. Maybe you should actually try going mid and getting the chest. You can kill that guy. He's good.
Just making sure no one's doing that. And that. What?
Yeah, one more hand, you would have killed him. Alright, guys.
Come on.
Riptide is in the seat. Okay. 2 games. No matter how long how short they are. Unless they're like 2 seconds long, then I'll play another one.
I get that.
Yeah, I'm playing normal. I'll do one normal mode and then.
No, just normal mode.
And then I'll do an insane mode.
And that's it.
Wait a minute, he didn't lose chests.
That's kind of dumb. Oh, that's a god chest. Not really, but like really good. You got.
I'll just do that. I don't know why. Oh, I know a secret chest here that nobody gets ever.
What?
I'll show you. I don't know why they put it in, but they did.
Watch out.
It's okay. He's bad. He's cute. He's a cute little
Oh,
guy.
wow. Oh, geez, it's really good. You got an iron fire aspect sword? Look at him.
Wait, 1 sec. Okay, let's back off for a sec.
Unless you win this game, then don't do an insane mode.
No, I will do an insane mode.
Alright, guys, this video is so long.
Let's go kill some kids.
It's probably gonna be like 40-something minutes long.
Nobody's gonna watch it. Your Skywars video should not be that long.
I just record videos. I don't really care about anything else. Just recording the videos. Wow, that guy's a noob.
Did I get a better helmet? No. He was bad.
Ooh,
Now this
someone's
guy's coming. You wanna go, son? Oh, I could really use your helmet.
And he's the last person left.
He is? Oh.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna gabble. I'm not scared. I have a
Get him. Just
I
rush.
only have a power one.
Go and just.
Chill. Jeez, dude. Oh, he has a fire aspect iron, like me.
Oh, it's a battle of. Ooh! Oh, nice! Okay.
Oh,
First
and
goal.
top killer. I'm good. That was easy. Oh, yes. I'm kind of sad because I know you get no viewers, so nobody's gonna see that. Dang it.
Oh! You wanna go, man? You wanna go? I'll take you down! Oh,
Guys, by the way, I just got Black Magic perk from the Soul Well. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys in the last video that Toasty made the secret area where you can access the Soul Well.
show it after this.
It's
No
really
matter what happens.
Hello?
I don't care if you lose. I don't care if you win. Just do it. Okay.
Dang it, I got really bad gear.
Yeah, you got like a helmet and pants or something. Yeah, and boots.
Boots and pants.
Oh, get him. Oh, wow.
Dang it.
Oh, wow.
The wall, it was working for him.
Nope.
Yeet. Dab on him. That was too
Don't.
quick. That was too quick. Drum roll, please. I meant to say kinda. Every once in a while, like, the chat gets really weird and messed up.
Something's wrong.
Kanye not play that on video. I'm sure your viewers would love to hear you play the most amazing guitar ever. But I'm also sure that your viewers would not like to hear you play the most horrible guitar ever. Oh, come on. Die. What? You got him, guys. Stop. 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 Why? I need to fight people in like... Oh, this is the map I won on... I think. Yeah, I won this map on normal mode. Nobody ever gets the secret chest, so I know I can always get a mid chest on every game.
Oh yeah, so good, so good.
Sounds like the normal way you play.
Shut up.
Oh, ow.
By the way, he's annoying.
By the way, I heard you.
I know. Why?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
You could stop at 5 stores or just 1. Love that video.
What video?
This is a video that's really funny.
Whoa. I didn't know that the video you were talking about was a whole video. Who would have thunk it? Come on, get up, get up, get up! Yes, 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 yes. No! Dang it, dang it, dang it. Rip. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Oh yeah, you are. Imagine if you just walk right into that.
He did.
He
So I
did.
stopped. That's also why he's missing.
Oh, he has full armor. Full
Full
diamond.
diamond, you
yeah.
mean? I have full armor, but not full diamond. No, what?
Oh,
How did you hit me
crap.
from up there?
He has the reach. I'm just kidding now.
Oh.
Not everyone has a hack when they kill you or anything.
Oh.
Oh! Wait, what?
What?
2 people killed each other at like the exact same time. Oh, he didn't have full. Oh, yes, he does. Oh, he didn't have full diamond.
Okay, be right there.
Hear that.
No. Alright.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Wait, I need to show them the...
Oh, yeah, wait. Sorry.
Okay, so here's the secret place where you can access the soul well.
We'll be done in like 2 seconds.
I mean,
Sorry about that, guys.
you just click this sign, and it lets you go right here. It's really weird. Just click that text. See what we get. Got healer kit and coins. Okay.
Thank you guys for
now
watching
you
this
do the
video,
outro.
and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
That was the worst outro ever.
Hee. No, it wasn't. Wait, okay, sorry guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Wait, did I do it? Oh, okay, sorry guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.